Kajingile banyo ya tiket BJP na kabanta ka election MLA Arja Arpulai na North Shillong constituency kala banwara panban ka ïapra hapadeng kinongkit kam ka party kani ka constituency hakajan mir ka Arpuar talip na lor Arja Arpuar uba Michael Kasuntiu ula pentip boba martam den perbot ulawan banite lang ban kersyani u na kabanta ka election house number 1 kani kelawan ru katu kani singi hadien bawa marai hom kharkrang u officer pulit balasong thai larung se BJP bat pau jing yakren ru bolala banyo ya tiket nak benta election uba Michael lakenturu yu ba jeling do kertong ke BJP hak election MLA Arja Kapra banwan bat ki banyetri lang.
As of now, since there are many rumors that has been gone in 17 North Shillong that the ticket has been allotted to this particular candidate or that particular candidate, as you all know, we are two senior BJP members here. I'm also a person who have contested from the party in the 2018 elections from Umsning constituency, and same thing, Ma is a former MDC and also is a senior BJP member. The fact of the matter is that BJP is such a party that it is based on so many aspects, but they allot the ticket. So we would like to make a clarification to the supporters of 17 North. But as of now, the ticket will be decided, as we know, from the central leaders based on survey and based on so many other things. So that is the reason that we would like to make a clarification so that kipagba kinong krisyan kinumsya elam bakla mo kata gadi ko kabang ako ang pensmuto. Another thing that I would like to mention in this press conference is that I humbly request ya kita kiparlok kibala mi no who all our friends who have left, all the friends who have left the BJP because of so many reasons. As you know, 17 North, so many people have left, they have gone to other parties and all that. We welcome you and we also request you to come back, work together. And this message we would like to spread and make a personal appeal to Mr. J. Lingdo, who is the second runners-up in the 2018 election from BJP he contested. So we request him, since his supporters, all of them, they are with us, we also request him to not contest this election this time, but to work together with us so that we will bring a winning strategy and will work together to bring change in the 17 North. That is the message from our side. And as a candidate, aspiring candidate of BJP, I would like to make it clear over here, since you know from henceforth there will be a rumor that certain person has been paid or certain arrangement has been done, but there's nothing like that is done from our side. The reason that we have teamed up together to fight, not to work on separate ways, is that we want the people to bring a change in 17 North, and no financial transaction mdan gajinga seo mdan ye ganu gajinga thiet kumakajulong kane ka David. This is purely based on the love for the party and the support that we have, that we want BJP to win in 17 North Shillong this time in 2023. BJP is a very organized based party and it's very disciplined. In the 2018 election that we fought, the ticket was declared on the 2nd of February and the election date was on the 27th. So as of now, no one can claim, even the state president himself, I think you know, he's also fighting, applying for a ticket from 18 West constituency. So no one can claim that the ticket has been allotted to certain particular person or something like that. It will always be based on the work that you do on the ground. No? So that is what is like that. So I cannot tell you bangal ayo mga, or so certain person cannot say ba don't ka support jong itane this person and that person support ayo ticket. But Jilingdo is a person who is a very senior politician, and he knows very well that the BJP as it is a very organization. The BJP is very strong. But the fact is that maybe because of certain things that has happened to him within the party, in the leaders here in the state, maybe because of that, Bajilingdo, he felt let down or sidelined or anything like that, which he felt that there will be no chance for him to apply for the ticket. But at the moment, as we all know, I am a very new person at 2018. I fought on the ground and I was given the ticket on the first list from the BJP. So with this development that is happening today, where we have Bak Mar Tamlin Perbot, as you all know, he is also one of the person who is applying for the ticket. He has, given the support to us. So we think that our chances of getting the ticket and fighting will be more stronger. And we know that Jailing Do is also a BJP man. He's always a BJP man. He has fought the election and he came second. He lost by a narrow margin of only 200, not 300. So if he comes together, since most of his supporters are the people whom we have been working together from 2019, more even during the COVID time, all of his people are with us. So we also request him again, work together, bring the BJP, because the BJP is a national party. Bak Kharkrang is a bureaucrat. He recently joined the party, as we all know, on the 3rd of this month. We welcome such intellectual people into the party. As a young party leader, I've been with the party now 7 years, 8 years running, and Ma has been there for a very long time. When we have intellectual people like Sir SP Mohanta, we have all these top lawyers who have joined us, we welcome them. As I told you, the BJP from Delhi and the BJP who are running the show in the country, they know who are on the ground, who are there to work for the public. And I'm thankful Kharkrang ru join a party ki jongi. We need people like him. We need people who are intellectual, who are who come from that background, because that will give us more support on the ground. But let the best man, the best person be given a chance to represent the public. Kalong kumne mo pek ngan batay pi hawar ja ka prapo bangele na kani ka party nei ka Shillong ba ya ka jing tre hapo madan mo namar ngi da fismo tu ngi ki no kersan ngi la don lupa ngi la ya ka ta ngatrai na ko por covid flatip ka tu ngi la ya nei ti ki no kersan ki jongi ki kwa ngi bangele na po ka nang ni na po ka party BJP tenata ka daw ngaro nga sa ong ipi ba kata ka jing mi jong way na le si kim dar confident ken ndai nga bu ya ka confident ka jonga ha kinong ilam jongi na ka party ki bedan hapo Shillong ba ki bedan hapo Delhi ba ki bedan hapo Assam ba ken pet ken unu brio bedan chance ya ka jing job ya kata nga num ya ka party but nga kwa ban make it a point here that I will not leave the party until the day the party makes a decision who will be given a ticket. After that, we will sit together with all our workers, because at the end of the day, this is an election. I have to be elected by the people. I cannot, tell that, okay, I've come as an officer or I've come as a son of some rich businessman and I have to win. The election is the people who will vote for me. And I am very, very thankful. Mar Tamlin Perbot. He is a very senior man, he's a very respectable man, and he's a man who is with the public always. As you all know, he has come today, and I'm sure all his people will agree, will work together, and there is without a doubt, there is a guarantee 100% that we are going to win from 17 North. Tikum mga laong mantan ibi mo ngong gading kajingele kajing rai jang ka party ngingin buram ba ya kata lada ka party karai ba kambit kam ibit yang mo lesi ka perkhat bangang am dan chance bangan job apo ka 17 North karai da kumui tingin sipe kinya ka topor tang ba ngilum shwa ya kinong kersan jongi armut ken namar Pismo tu imaro ibon kida adil lupa ukana dia di balapan tiket. Ngaru ngadi ukana dia balapan tiket. Temengi armut nginlum kenya kinong kersan. Kei ka bakinong kersan ki jongi kiong. Ya cakmat yale nem yale ndrai nga ngasuntu. Ngong ipi ngaladon ha kani ka party bat nga ngatip ka party ki jongi kalong kumno. Ndan menu bala bankam balayo tiket. Nga try fill up suntu. How are jakat pra what is state president jongiru mo imashibun lingdo ipara try jongiru hapor ba deban ai tiket iklam yo ai tiket nei namar ba menu badan chance panjab ya kata ka party ka ai tiket tengah kermen ru kum ki kam ki bangangala tray kum ka kam ka ba imaru ila don kajingelam jongi kajingetrelang jongi armut dak batikna ka party ka num bakla kai nakar parking ni kinong yelam jong ka BJP ru ki badan hapo ka state ka jongi wanum le kanya ka bakla namar kajing suthu ka jongi ketika khat nyo North Shillong kadang ka chance 95% baka BJP kan job ladang iyo candidate ubia kamandal pe jeni kamandal ka duty jang kamandal ka deban assess yu candidate ka duty jang mandal ka deban assess ya ka polling booth jang candidate kan no latre kumno layat kan ki polling booth lale kumno latre te kata ka di duty jang kamandal te kamandal ka ditang mat recommendation te recommendation jang kamandal kala bandong yo candidate A B C ne kala bandong armod lain mo candidate kat kum bijing sotu ka jonga te ka winnability ka mata winnability kamata kumalo how to snam na try fitip ba former minister baru MLA join ke parti te kata kale se ke BJP ke yoi ba kamdon chance ita I ba join na tak ada ke ay ke tiket te kataru kalau ndai mas join mas mo kalau ndala declare ke tiket isa agen kani ke parti kalau very discipline ko mangangala ong ipi mena unu ubri ubatrai bat ngasanyaru baka parti BJP hikuma kalau mentah kamde ka parti ka ba banong favoritism ne nepotism ne you know ban le sila keman unu badam chance ke ban job lada ka parti ka ai tiket ngin job baik kata kadi kuwi ka banga ngala ong mentan nganga ong kejimi ke jang iba jiling dok ba kejimi jam manu ciri orang ba na ka parti ke walaupun ka parti ke jongi ka balik sigi kasih jongi kidang ting manu kadi kejing tulong ka bakau pula ni kata tenrai kuwi pa kalau kita kan lesi kejing ni kadi kadau ka ba isham ba ilasha sideline nei lasha ni kata nei ndrai ideiru kana dia ubala ele ha namtaka 17 not 17 not te kunta nganga ka padi ba nai bakla ke 1 biang 1 5 biang ini trilang ni bolo ada ya trilang mai matamlen mga bar kubjuri ba kharkran ada 1 trilang ba ni tikna kejing job namtaka ni ka 17 not
Alinsha kumpulai tip they win ki founder members tung party BJP yang state dongi ngalai kun juga election amile 1993 baru 1998 te sipor simsti dengan ka party ngalai hadin katukan ni por banga pej hadin trust nem news nem ula wan ga ni party ha apa por ngapej igar komsensial ka ngai tanat ngai hun tengas ngo ba yakum ga party ngi deman pungkai man pengkanya ke parti geriman ai ke ketika diang ke ketika mon ke jonga te dina ta kadang wa join biang sega parti in the first part of this year ni daga jumut jing tmu bangan kun biang ya ka election te ngalap krai pan kun ngala ya lai kendo babun gi brave perlok perjo ki bahap apu ke nega 17 not Shillong constituency ngala pelum pelang gi meeting gi babun teli tenrai hagane ka jingya junga ngachu ngau leng a pisa ke mesim abang ya so ni pai ba ki along confuse ki kli be munu bi atkat la shi pen china we ka pors re ka ba nganda perkat nganda song perkat sani ba ngaso ba ngaso ting ba kini ki pai ba ki ba kwa ban support ka party yo ki scatter ïapra kia lech tu sini tengong lada dang penslam ni kena kapor tekan sepoi kapor ba kena parti kan sedup yang ni kasi ngala debat ini ka si la buns namba leng bai ba elek hadin ga delimitation ni do ini kasi 2013 ni wani kongkai kumi kong candidate kongres ma 2018 wanu ba adarbat jongka khnam te ngating ba haw news nam rui awan degwei pat ki party te bang e je party ngaso ba la kumdung no haban sacrifice khnang ba nginyo ban I ba ka 2023 nginyo yo MLA jong ka party BJP nang ni na po 17 North Shillong constituency ngal perkat ngala bu jung ngalai kendo ik perlak perjor leng saudong bat hapukut nga phai ka khmat chi ba mai te nga persang bani kontak badi bani kran badi mani sungu kaliai ka por ka to kan ne ngasngo ba ladeni ya lo gejong imat kata ka jing sap sepret ki breu kan nangjur adu mentaru da phi lech pan kali sipo ka konsensi kinang bun ki breu ki ba long confuse ba ya kan ke tikat tenga ngong ba hagane ka por swa bi ki breu kin ya sakama kala de ka por bagin ya pelum pelang no ikni ki supporters jong ka party te de ko ke jengmun ngarai ngong ba longkat balong nganya ai ka kti diang ka kti ko mani ba mai ma ngene tristom ba la kum nung nuru injob ba I job mi ngot ka party ka job wan phai bang hagane constituency sachi kata da kata ka jengmut ka jeng thmu ni sai wan langkum ni haju